Your next assignment, pyramids. You're going to write a script to print out a pyramid of X's based on the height input by the user. So an example would be input pyramid height 5. So that's like the script should ask you to input the pyramid height, and the user inputs 5, and you have X, XX, XXX, XXXX. Okay, that would be a 5. There is partial credit if you cannot center your pyramid, because that is a little bit challenging. So I understand if you struggle with that. You could also produce this input pyramid height 5 and then have X and then XX and then all left justified. That's okay. Not ideal, but okay. So this assignment is worth 5 points. You'll get 1 point if your script accepts an input height, 2 points if it prints out something like a pyramid of X's. You get an additional point if you can use the try except block to handle any potential errors in converting the input from the user into an integer. And then finally, you get the last point if you can print yours centered. Here's a hint for you. Print X times 5 will print out 5 X's. You can use that in combination with the for loops we practiced. Okay. Let me show you what this is supposed to look like. So here I have my own version. A full credit one, yes. A full credit one would look like this. If I enter the number 10, I get this beautiful pyramid here. If you don't want full credit, but a little bit easier of approach, I would print something like that. Okay, so that's what your program should do on your side. Okay, that's what it should look like. Good luck.